Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to select LTE network only in Android. So it is one of the useful feature whenever we can simply prefer our network type. So how to do that in Google Pixel 7a? It is an Android, and simply swipe up for menu, then go to settings application, then select network and internet. Okay, the first option. Then select internet, then select the gear icon after the cadre name. Okay, then you can see option of preferred network type. Open that. Currently it is 5G recommended, which is selected. So tap on that, then select LT, and there is another option is 3G. So Pixel phones only support these three type of networks like 5G, LT, and 3G. So we have selected LT, that means 4G network. Many phones have different kind of names. That means uh, LTE means 4G, and 5G, there is a 5G only. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.